Ibigay nyo na sa akin to, ha? Okay? Isigaw nyo na to. Dahil ito na yun! Ready na ba kayo? Ikaw, ready ka na! Okay. Music please.
Before the storm, we're together right there. We're the line in the sand. Let them go too far. You're just feeling good on another scale, and you're the perfect thing to say. And you play it coy, but it's kinda cute. Oh, when it's like me, you know exactly what you do. Baby, don't pretend like you don't know it's true. 'Cause you can see it when you look at you. And in this crazy life, and in this crazy times, it's you, you make me sing. You're every line, you're every word, you're everything.
You're the carousel, you're the ocean girl, and you light me up when you're in my bed. You're a mystery, you're from outer space. You're every minute of my every day. And I can't believe that I'm your man, and I get to kiss you, baby, just because I can. Whatever comes your way, I will see you through. And you know that's what I love to do. In this crazy life, and through these crazy times, it's you, you make me sing. You're every line, you're every word, you're everything.
La 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 la.
So la 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 la. And in this crazy life, and through this crazy times, it's you, you make me sing. You're every line, you're everywhere, you're everything. You're every song.
And I sing along.
La 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 la.
Alright!
Okay!
Guys, syempre, hindi pa rin kapasalamat sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat. Sa lahat ng pumunta ngayong gabi, nag-enjoy ba kayo?
Masaya ba ang New Year nyo?
Yes!
Super!
Kami rin, syempre, nagpapasalamat. At kayong nasama namin ngayong bagong taon, guys. Kayong una-una namin nakasama ngayong January 1. Maraming salamat. Thank you, guys. At next time, imbitahan niyo kami ulit dito. Okay ba yun? At syempre, what? At abangan nyo ang movie namin ni Catherine. Syempre. Magkaka-movie muna kami after nun. Well, you know. Pangako sa'yo. Wala ba kayo, guys? Okay? At itong last song namin, dalawa, ay kinanta namin to, station ID namin to. Ano to? Alright. Handa na ba kayong kumanta lahat?